Good afternoon to all of you. It is my pleasure to welcome all of the participants today for the in-house training at Saraswati Vidya Mandir. We also thankful to Mr. Tarun Kumar, the COE Patna, and who's gave us the opportunity like this where we can address our teacher towards training for our students and improve their qualities. And I welcome to our eminent speaker person and resource person Jitendra Kumar Gupta, and he bring a very important topic which is essential for students: artificial intelligence and awareness and its implementation. So I welcome Jitendra Kumar Gupta.
हेलो, नमस्कार। आप सबों का स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है आज के इन हाउस ट्रेनिंग सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर बरोसेना विद्या में। आज हम सब न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी NEP 20 में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का जो टॉपिक ऐड किया गया है उस पे हम सब कुछ विचार विमर्श करेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में हमारा भविष्य क्या है हो सकता है, इससे क्या फ़ायदे हैं, क्या घाटे हैं, इस पर हम सब चर्चा करेंगे। और भविष्य में इसकी और क्या संभावनाएं हो सकती हैं, और क्या जो हम सब इमेजिंग करते थे पहले, जो रामायण और महाभारत जो हम सब देखते हैं कि राम ने वनवास जाते समय सीता का हरण होता है और सीता का हरण रावण के द्वारा होता है, और रावण एक पुष्प यान में बैठकर सीता का हरण करता है। तो क्या यह एक इमेजिंग था? इस इमेजिंग को भी हम समझेंगे। क्या जो इमेजिंग किया गया था रामायण में रामानंद सागर के द्वारा, क्या वो इमेजिंग आज एक्चुअल में इम्प्लीमेंट हो पाएगा या नहीं, हो पा रहा है या नहीं? तो इसी पर हम सब आज चर्चा करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम समझेंगे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है। What is artificial intelligence? तो artificial intelligence in simple term refers to the ability of computers, machine and robots to mimic, enact or copy the decision making and problem solving capabilities of the human intellectual mind, because this human intellectual mind means observed by artificial machine. While many definitions have emerged of artificial intelligence over decades, whose person introduced the artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. John McCarthy is a scientist of American, says it is the science and engineering of making intelligence machines, especially intelligent computer programs. हम सब समझ सकते हैं कि जॉन मैककार्थी जो साइंटिस्ट थे, उन्होंने ही फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, और उन्होंने कहा था कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एक साइंस और इंजीनियरिंग के द्वारा बनाया गया एक मशीन है जो स्पेशल कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम को ऑब्जर्व करते हुए हमारे इमोशन को इंटरेक्ट करता है। It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but artificial intelligence does not have to confine itself to the method that is biological observable. Along the years, in the field of artificial intelligence, there are two major approaches which developed to the world. First is human approach and second is ideal approach. The human approach was based on creating system that thinks and act like human, whereas the ideal approach was based on creating system that have the capacity to think and act rationally. Scientists all over the world have seamlessly worked in both approaches and many milestones have been achieved both ways. Here, this slide AI timeline means how to create names of artificial intelligence. In this slide, here mention 1952 1917 means in this duration artificial intelligence is come out, then we will discuss about one by one. Then next slide, history of artificial intelligence, the result outcome on our life. First, 1943, the first work which is now recognized as artificial intelligence was done by Warren McCullough and Walter Pitt in 1943. They proposed a model of artificial intelligence means artificial neurons. Artificial neurons. This word is remarkable. Artificial and neurons. Neurons means belong to human being brain where all type of data running on my brain and come out the result. So one type of machine for artificial and act according to Renault. 1949, Donald Hobbes demonstrated an updating rule for modifying the connection strength between neurons. His rule is called now Hebbian learning, means artificial neurons after the became Hebbian learning. 1950, the Alan Turing. This method is third stage to artificial intelligence. The Alan Turing, who was an English mathematician and pioneer machines learning in 1950. Alan Turing published Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Means one by one come out name of intelligence, intelligence and intelligence. And next word is coming at artificial, artificial and artificial. In which he proposed a test. The test can check the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence called a Turing machine. So, Turing machine is a Turing test first of all, Alan Turing. Next, in 1955, and Alan Neville. This is the next scientist, and Howard A. Simon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. This program has proved 38 to 52 mathematics theorems and find new and more elegant proof for some theorems. Means this theory, logic theory, was created by mathematics mathematician to improve the critical problem for theorem. 1956, the word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy. It is the father of computer. We can say father of father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, at the Dartmouth conference. For the first time, artificial intelligence was as an academic field. At that time, high-level computer languages such as Fortran, Lisp, or COBOL were invented in this duration, and the enthusiasm for artificial intelligence was very high that time. 1966. This year 56 to 74 is enthusiasm for artificial intelligence, because before the history of artificial intelligence only name and improving for imaging and implementation, but 1956 to 74 is the also implementation and can be launched by the different field. The researchers emphasize developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Jones Webb-Jones created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named as Elijah. Elijah is the first robot developed by the researcher in the artificial intelligence. 1972, the first intelligence humanoid robot was built in Japan, which was named as Webot 1. The first artificial intelligence winter means artificial intelligence winter means this duration is fall down of artificial intelligence development, implement, and other the problem, because the duration between their 74 to 1980 was the first artificial intelligence duration. Artificial intelligence winter refers to the time period where computer scientists dealt with a severe shortage of funding for government for artificial intelligence researchers, because self shortage of funding means government stop your fund to artificial researches, because artificial research the intelligence machine by the huge costed. During artificial intelligence winter can nearest for publicity on artificial intelligence was decreased, because funded was not supported to the researcher. Next, 1887. After artificial intelligence winter duration, AI came back with a expert system. Expert systems were programmed that emulate the decision-making ability of a human expert. In 80, the first National Conference of the American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. The second AI winter means this period to from 90, 80, from 87 to 93 is the second artificial intelligence winter. This duration between the 87 to 93 was the second artificial intelligence winter duration. Again, investors and government stop again in funding for artificial intelligence research as due to high cost but not efficient result. Not efficient result. This is the main cause for stopping funding by the government. The expert system such as XCON was very cost effective. The emergence of intelligence agents 93 to 2011. In this duration, emergence of intelligence agents. Intelligence agents means, I think, agents means working of person in different field as well as medical, defense, DRDO, aerospace, so for many fields which researcher research the program and intelligence theory is called agent. In the year 1997, IBM Deep Blue beats World Chess Champion Gray Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a World Chess Champion. This is the first artificial intelligence machine was owned by computer to person in 1997. Next, 2002, for the first time, artificial intelligence entered the home in the from Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. Roomba and a vacuum cleaner is also a artificial intelligence machine he used to come back for our life in house. 2006, artificial intelligence come in the business. After 2002, the artificial intelligence booming period for the world in many different fields for business, defense, so on. Artificial intelligence came in business world till the year 2006. Companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix also started using artificial intelligence. Now, OK Google is also artificial intelligence app. Deep learning, big data and artificial general intelligence 2001, 2011 to present. Deep learning. Deep learning is a word. Deep means knowledge about that point too deeply. Big data means huge of data, huge of raw material to use simple brain is complexity, and artificial general intelligence. So, deep learning, big data, and artificial intelligence to present now 2011. In the year 2011, IBM Watson on Jeopardy, a quiz show where it had to solve the complex questions as well as riddles. Watson had proved that it could understand natural language and can solve tricky questions quickly. Means one by one, scientists has come to improve artificial intelligence history to place till now. 2012, Google has launched an Android app features. Google Android app Google Now, which was able to provide information to the user as the prediction. We will discuss to further. Google launches the app 2014. In the year 2014, chatbot Eugene Postman won a competition in the infamous Turing test. We will discuss previously this slide. Turing test. Turing test by Alan Turing. Alan Turing in this program to solve a neuron. Two 2018, the project debater from IBM debates on complex topic with two master debaters and also performed extremely well. Means project debater. Which type of project? This project was created to a quiz program for debate. Quiz is also objective, but debate is not objective. Its subject concern to subjective. From IBM debated on complex topic, no simple topics. This is complex topic to solve, which two master debaters and also performed extremely well. Extremely well. Google has demonstrated as artificial intelligence program Duplex, which was a virtual scientist assistant and which had taken Harrier appointment on call, and lady on other side did not notice that they was talking with the machine. So this live will show a short clip as a movie. Previous all slides we saw. These slides represent the history of artificial intelligence. Now we will discuss application of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence applications are used in computer gaming. Computer gaming means now this game is huge capital, marketing capital in the world. Teeny age means students are involved to computer gaming downloaded by the mobile and use this. Invest the money, waste the money, waste the time, so on. Next, natural language processing. Natural language processing means we speak and you listen. Means between convert real time. This is human being. No, machine is listening and machine is speaking and find out the result to them. Then natural language processing. Also, next example is for Google Assistant. We speak something, find out the result, then Google give us to result. Expert processing. Expert processing means expert system. Expert system which like which system to develop by artificial intelligence to expert means know any doubt by asking a questions and give the answer. When ask the question and quickly give the answer by which machine is called expert system. Next, vision system. Vision system is also a part of artificial intelligence application. Vision means for I see in this laptop to try to see all person who sing to this training. So I vision by you, but your all visions are not for me, but which system are designed. My vision is captured for everyone and delivered to my vision. So this type of vision system is also scanning and find the result. For example, now a market, many type of companies launches the mobile, Android mobile, which open, scan the palm, scan the vision, scan the face. This is the example of vision system. Speech recognition. Speech recognition is also a high quality program, high quality system for artificial intelligence. This program is recognized for artificial intelligence. Means we can say that this speech recognition also refer to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence cannot image, then speech recognition cannot image. Artificial intelligence shows speech recognition. I speak on the training, so my speech capture and deliver the same real speech for everyone. So speech recognition means this laptop is also a best recognition system to capture and deliver. Capture to me and deliver to you. This is the topic of artificial intelligence. Intelligence robot. Intelligence robot is intelligence robot. Intelligence robot is also which type of system which can do everything according to human being. Human being means emotions, sounds, actions and other things. So this all type of activity for which machines, which system, which is non-living things, but the adopt of all activity of human being. This is the intelligent robot. So, after all types of applications of artificial intelligence, there are also various applications for we will discuss further. Scientist, DRDO, space, airways, defense, so many. Next, advantage of artificial intelligence. Advantage of artificial intelligence means we have to discuss artificial intelligence. Now, history, application, then what is the advantage of artificial intelligence? This is the third step of artificial intelligence. Advantage. This is the naturally every person has not good. If every person has good, then I think have some also wrong activity. So we can say that according to me, all persons is not best. Every person is something wrong. Means we can say that in we study mathematics degree in 360 means 360 degree to define in mathematics means 360 degree create a circle shape 3 degree 60 create a circle shape means which shape is just circulate which started to that point after the end means started and ended point is same attached. So this shape is completed so is called circle shape. So we can say that no any person is circulate as a circle. So after the circle, many different type of shape in the mathematics, we can say that the after the circle, all human beings comes in the shape because which person completely circle, I think who is God. Otherwise, rectangle, triangle, hexagon, so it's other shape. Then advantage of artificial intelligence. So advantage. This is era of artificial intelligence. In this artificial intelligence, in this era, first of all, every person does not want to work any work to do done by other person means we can say that every person want to lazy dependent to each other no self defense dependent to each other but a advantage of artificial intelligence means reduction in human error. to discuss advantage of artificial intelligence, reduction of human error. Human error, such the phrase human error. Human error was born because human makes mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. Means we can human being any work have some error. If they are programmed properly with artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information, applying a certain set of algorithms. So errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a positionality. Means human error, which error created by the human being, it the natural. Okay. Machine, any non-living things we called machine can do if a generate error. This error was generated by the human being. Human being, because human being is created a machine, which machine settled the best program, error-free program, enabled program, so that machine cannot be generate any error. Example, in weather forecasting using artificial intelligence, they have reduced the majority of human error. This is the practicality. Prediction are arrived by the human and this prediction to reduce by the machine. Takes risk instead of human. This is the next advantage of artificial intelligence. This is one of the biggest advantage of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risks, limitations of humans by developing an artificial intelligence robot which in turn can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars defuse a bomb. This bomb diffused by which machine? That machine was created by the human being. So, defuse the bomb made by a enable or suitable program. Which program? In which program may be 1% possible to be error, then cannot be reduced, diffused, bomb by that machine and bomb may be blast and so on many reactions. Explore the deepest parts, oceans, mining for coal and oil. It can be used effectively in any kinds of natural or man-made disaster. For example, have you heard about the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine. At that time, there were no artificial intelligence powered robots that can help us to minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire. In early stage, as any human wants close to the core wire did in a matter of minutes. They eventually powered sand and burned from the helicopter from a very distance. Artificial intelligence can be used in such situations where invest intervention can be hazardous. Next is next is advantage of artificial intelligence available 24 into 7 hours. For example, human naturally have to work 6 to 8 hours. After 6 to 8 hours, human being naturally too tired. But machine is not tired anytime. Means next advantage of artificial intelligence available 24 into 7 hours, and average human will work for 4 to 6 hours a day excluding the breaks. Humans are built in such a way to get some time out of refreshing themselves and get ready for a new day of work, and they even have weekly offered to stay intact in their work life and personal life. Work life and personal life both are different life. Here refers to work life. Work life for earning the money which person consult to work life, and personal life means your family life. But using artificial intelligence, we can make machines work 24 into 7 hours without any breaks, and they do not even get bored unlike human. For example, education institutes and helpline centers are getting many queries and issues which can be handled effectively using artificial intelligence. Next advantage of artificial intelligence is helping a repetitively jobs. Repetitively. Job means which type of job human can again and again, can do again and again, means one type of job. In our day-to-day work, we will be performing many repetitively works like sending a thanking mail, verifying certain document for errors, and many more things. Using artificial intelligence, we can productively automate these mundane tasks and can even remove boring task for human and free them up to be increasingly creatively. For example, in bank, we often see many verification of documents to get a loan, which is a repetitive task for the owner of the bank. Using artificial intelligence, cognitive automation, the owner can speed up the process of verifying the documents by which both the customers can the owner